Nicely done by Bellingham. Brilliant. Off the bar. The follow-up. As close as they've come.
Lovely little ball played by Modric. Really, when he picks the ball up here, you don't ever think he's going to get a shot away, but he goes past a couple of challenges. Not a good effort from Depal.
Carvajal. Camavinga. In behind. Good save. Not once, but twice. Living dangerously, Atleti. And again. Referee not interested. That will be checked.
They're claiming offside. It wasn't offside from first viewing. There you can see, times his run perfectly. He does well to get his shot away before Jimenez got back into him. Double save. His control was excellent. He had to try and turn with the second touch, which he did. Vinny Jr., again, very lively to get onto the knockdown.
Did he get the final touch, Stuart? It looked like... That's a good ball by Koke. Saul. Hands were by the side. Making the body bigger. Will be checked, but I doubt it. Any further action is necessary. The header is comfortably dealt with by Lunin. He had a good starting position. Koke. And by DePaul for Morata. Real Madrid. We've got RB Leipzig, first leg in Germany. Eddie Valverde, with the efforts comfortably saved by Jan Oblak. Morata. Griezmann. DePaul. Space for Saul. Samuel Lino! 1-0!
Saul is trying to make the run. Carvajal isn't quite sure whether to go infield or stay round the back. There's the header from Rudiger. He's got to make some sort of attempt to head it, which he does. Can't control it. And Lino on the half volley, very good finish. Not sure that it's a particularly good effort. There he comes, actually. Initially off Griezmann, then Rudiger. Lunin doesn't do too much to stop it. What a moment for Atleti and Simeone. But he likes all this. And Vinny Jr. gets a yellow card for remonstrating with the referee. Don't get involved. You're a great player. You don't need to get involved.
Cool things down. By Modric. Oblak, what are you doing? 1-1. Vinny Jr. celebrates. And Oblak's had a nightmare. We're tied. And Real Madrid are back level.
Well, they said it in the studio. We said it before the game. You mentioned it as well.
Second half underway. Real Madrid in possession, 6 miles east of Santiago Bernabeu. He's not getting beaten out his near post. And does Rodrigo get a corner? Oblak adjudged.
A sharp effort from Rodrigo. He does get a left hand to it, doesn't it? Just before it goes out of play.
So 3 of the 4 corners prior to this were headed away by Morata. They're going to keep it away from him this time.
And Molina coming at the right wing back.
Stray arm across the face is penalised.
Not a good idea to sarcastically clap the referee and get a yellow card for it. Pressure because there's somebody that likes to tackle. I think he's just putting his arm out to hold the challenge off.
Spent his entire career winding people up. He has a brilliant footballing career as well, Simeone. Deflection. What a chance! Oh, Camavinga! The deflection of him and Morata! Right place, right time! And Atleti lead! from an Atleti perspective, gloriously chaotic.
Here's the ball played forward. Initially, good play from Griezmann. There's the next ball. Camavinga sticks out. He can't do much about it, but the goalkeeper gets his angle all wrong. He's got to get himself behind the ball. Camavinga's just sticking a foot out to try and stop the ball going back to Griezmann, but the goalkeeper pushes it onto Rudiger, and Morata is in the right place. Sloppy goalkeeping. He's got to do better than that.
Yellow for Hermoso, yellow for Brahim Diaz. On we go. Past Lino. Deflection off the bar. That close. Nothing Oblak could have done about that one. It remains 2-1. A minute ago, Llorente. Lino. Griezmann. And the flag stayed down.
Had to make the save as well.
Vinny Jr. Bellingham. 2-2. Talk about an instant impact.
He's in the right position. It's a nice little ball played by Vinny Jr. Well, they're sticking up their arms for offside, but you can see that the player that goes to close the ball down, Jimenez, was keeping him onside. There he actually slices across it. He was going for goal, no doubt about that, Jude Bellingham. And Joselu in the right spot, an easy finish for him. Press the ball and play high up the field, the right time to make their forward runs.
Oh, that's a nasty one. Tchouaméni into the book. Bellingham. Great close control, and he was taken late. It's a free kick.
He's going to foul the other way against Jude Bellingham.
I'd like to see that again.
Three.
Oh, what a chance! Nahuel Molina! Honestly, it's like pinball every time the ball goes into the box. Switch by De Paul. Says he was clipped. Down goes Bellingham. Vinny Jr. back post. Oblak did enough. Oh my word. That's in total keeping with this crazy game.
Witsel.
Seventh corner, Real Madrid. Atleti have not had one. Back in by Carvajal. Flick on by Nacho. Down by Bellingham. Rudiger's getting nothing for that. Morata. De Paul. Molina. How high can you jump? Into the arms of Lunin. And that'll do us. To extra time we go. Shoot is the cry. The save falls perfectly for Lunin. Final tie. Last season also went to extra time. Real Madrid won that 3-1. Here's a run. Here's a chance. Here's a brilliant goal. Left off at the Metropolitano by the club record goal scorer.
And that's why you want him playing higher up the field. He goes past him. It's not too much cover. Tchouaméni should have been out there. Tchouaméni was just jogging back to the 6-yard box. He was the one that should be coming across. But there he nearly went down. But look at this for a finish. Lunin is ready for the one played down the side of him or between his legs, and he goes high. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Oh, he committed Griezmann, allowing Kroos to do that. The flick towards goal, and All Black right place, right time to deny Jude Bellingham. He just didn't have enough pace on it.
Good play. Tony Kroos threatens to cross with his right foot. Not good defending by Griezmann. And he just plays it into it.
The deflection, Bellingham, big chance. All Black to the rescue. 3-3 offside. Flag is up. Alejandro Esteves Iglesias is the assistant on the far side who's raised his flag, and it is being checked. That's what they're checking. Bellingham looked offside. Bellingham was given offside. But was Bellingham offside?
He is offside. Did look as that was offside. Yeah, offside given.
Confirmed. It remains 3-2. Yeah, you've got to keep tabs on not just the man who's beside Bellingham, a lead player, or playing with 10 men. Well, here's a chance for Real Madrid, and sliced away. Wrong player to fall to. Antonio Rudiger, free kick. Molina. Here's the chance. Memphis with support. That'll do it. Game over. Atleti have knocked out the defending champions, and that's what it means.
Waited. There's the ball. His first touch is a good one. Tchouameni, did he run offside? No, he didn't. That's going to be okay. Right foot round the goalkeeper. The perfect finish. And a lovely little ball play by Memphis. He didn't play it onto his left foot. He knew he was right-footed, which Riquelme is. And it was easy for him just to sweep it beyond Lunin and put Atleti into the next round of the Copa del Rey.
That'll do it. The cup holders are out, beaten by their city rivals.